If you have a passion for property and have the skills of a salesperson, becoming a real estate agent might be right for you. In this video, we will explain what you need to get started, as well as some tips on how to become a successful real estate agent. But before you learn how to become a successful real estate agent, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you will be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. 8 steps to become a real estate agent. Number 1. Learn about your state's requirements. Before you begin your journey to become a real estate agent, you will need to understand your state's requirements. Real estate licenses are not available on a national level, so you have to apply from your specific state. Every state has different licensing requirements, so make sure you are fully aware of what you need to do. Some states require you to have a GED or a high school diploma, while others require a college degree. Some states also require you to have a certain amount of experience before you can become a real estate agent. You should also research the application fees and document requirements. These will help you eliminate any inconvenience while submitting the final application. 2 important things we want to address here are background checks and fingerprinting. You should be ready to submit these documents along with clearing your criminal history. Before you start collecting any of these documents, make sure you are eligible for your real estate agent exam. We will explain the eligibility criteria for the real estate agent exam in a moment. As we already mentioned, most states have different requirements, and you would need a separate license for them. However, luckily, some states have reciprocal licensing agreements. It means your single license will be accepted in more than one state if they have reciprocal licensing agreements. For example, if you get a license in New York, you will be able to use it in 9 other U.S. states, including Massachusetts, Colorado, Mississippi, Pennsylvania, Arkansas, West Virginia, Connecticut, Colorado, and Oklahoma. Number 2. Take a pre-license course. Most states require that you take a pre-license course, so make sure you find out what your state requires. A pre-license course will help you prepare for the state exam and also give you useful real estate knowledge. You can take a pre-license course online or in person at a community college. Make sure the course is approved by your state so you can use it to fulfill your licensing requirements. Each state has different requirements for the credit hours of your license course. For example, if you want to become a real estate agent in Georgia or New York, you will need to complete a pre-license course comprising 75 hours. On the other hand, if you're from California, you will need to take classes for 135 hours. Number 3. Take your licensing exam. After you complete your pre-license course, you will need to take your state licensing exam. You should try to find materials that work for your specific state's exam and help you understand the information as best as possible. As for your eligibility for the real estate license exam, there are 3 main requirements. Number 1, you are above 18 or 19 years old as per your state's requirement. Number 2, you are a U.S. legal resident. And number 3, you have already taken your pre-license education. If you pass these basic requirements, you are eligible for the license exam. This exam will be taken on a computer, and it will be based on multiple choice questions. The total number of questions, total marks, and the time allotted will vary with each state. However, the types of questions remain the same for all states. There are 2 parts to the exam. The first part includes questions about real estate laws and principles of the nation, and the second part includes questions about the state's laws and principles. In short, you will have to attempt a nation-specific section and a state-specific section. You will have to pass both sections to pass your exam overall because each part is scored individually. If you fail even one of these 2, you will have to retake the exam. The number of allowed retakes also varies with different states. Number 4. Activate your real estate agent license. Once you pass your exam, you will need to activate your real estate agent license. You may need to fill out some paperwork and pay a fee to have your license activated. The average fee for the activation of your license is $200 to $400 US. Once your license is activated, you will receive the confirmation and your license certificate from your state. This way, you will officially be a real estate agent. You may also need to complete a certain amount of hours of supervised experience before you can activate your license. This is something you will need to find out before you activate your license. Once you receive your certification, your name will be listed under license holders' names on the state's official website. Enjoying till now? Please hit the subscribe button now, like, share, and comment. And yes, keep watching. Number 5. Choose a sponsoring brokerage. Once you have your real estate agent license, you will need to choose a sponsoring brokerage. A real estate brokerage is a company that employs real estate agents and is where you will do the job of being a real estate agent. You will be hired by the brokerage, but you will work for yourself. You will be given leads or clients from your broker, but you will be the one who does the work and negotiates the deal. You will also be responsible for finding new clients. You will have to split your commissions with your brokerage since they were the ones who provided you with the leads. The best part is that you will not have to work hourly, but receive a full salary derived from the commissions. The percentage of your commissions will depend on your broker's policy and your contract with them. When choosing a brokerage, make sure you feel comfortable with the people you will be working with. Pick a brokerage where you feel like you would fit in and can see yourself growing as a real estate agent. There will also be several other expenses when you work with a brokerage. You will have to pay for your marketing materials, desk fee, and tech fees. Moreover, you will also have to renew your license yourself every year. Your brokerage will not pay for that. On average, joining a brokerage as a real estate agent, you will have to pay $25 to $500 per month. Number 6. Consider becoming a realtor. Many people who become real estate agents are not interested in becoming a realtor. But if you want to make the most money as a real estate agent, you should consider becoming a realtor. Realtors are subject to a few different state laws that agents are not. Realtors are required to have more training than regular agents and are also required to maintain a certain amount of insurance. Becoming a realtor also comes with other benefits, such as having access to more clients and a built-in network of people you can help. Moreover, you will become a member of NAR, which is the National Association of Realtors. If you become a realtor, you will have access to the Realtors Property Resource, or RPR, which is a database of all houses for sale in your area. It means you will be your boss and will no longer have to work for a brokerage. You will receive all the commission you make on selling the properties. There are several other benefits as well to becoming a realtor. For example, you will get access to many discount programs, real estate marketing data, and business tools. Number 7. Prepare your marketing materials. Once you become a real estate agent, it is important to start marketing yourself as soon as possible. This will help you find new clients and begin building a network. A great way to start marketing yourself is to create some marketing materials, such as brochures, business cards, or flyers. You can also create a website or blog to help you reach a wider audience. As a real estate agent, you will want to find ways to stand out from the crowd. Having marketing materials that help you market yourself will help you find clients and make connections. Number 8. Start networking and grow your community. Once you have created some marketing materials, start networking and growing your community. You can do this by joining real estate organizations, attending events, and connecting with people in your industry. Joining real estate organizations is a great way to meet other real estate agents and learn from others who have been in the industry for a long time. You can also network with people who have a similar job to yours, such as mortgage brokers, home inspectors, and home insurance agents. These are people who can help you find clients and grow your network. How to become a successful real estate agent. As a real estate agent, you will have a lot of responsibilities. You will need to be able to negotiate contracts, help people buy and sell houses, and understand the real estate market. If you want to become a successful real estate agent, follow these tips. First of all, study the real estate market and stay updated on changes. Next, you should know your real estate financing terms and stay up to date on loan regulations. Another tip for becoming a successful real estate agent is to be friendly, personable, confident, and positive. These qualities will help you appear a great real estate agent in front of your clients. Moreover, if you want to build trust with your clients, you should listen to them and be patient with them. Moreover, you should always be willing to go above and beyond for your clients. If you follow these tips, you will be well on your way to becoming a successful real estate agent. Time to become a real estate agent. On average, it takes 4 to 6 months for all. It is important to keep in mind that several factors affect how long it will take you to become a full-fledged real estate agent. These include your location, experience level, and industry demand. For example, people in Florida can quickly get their pre-license course by taking just 63 hours of classes and then applying directly for an exam. On the other hand, people in California will take the longest to complete their pre-license course. Total cost to become a real estate agent. The average cost to become a real estate agent is $2,000. This could include costs such as application fees, an initial license fee, a continuing education class or exam fee, and marketing material. Even though becoming a real estate agent is quite expensive and requires a substantial amount of money at the start, the initial investment eventually pays off, and you make a good living as a real estate agent. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.